Now guys, I just harvested some water grass in order to organically supplement my chicken's diet. And if you notice, even before I drop it in the coop, they are very curious. Some are actually picking at it. Alright, so look at them. They are investigating, they are picking, they are eating the water grass. Alright, so this is not a farce. Look at them coming at it. They love it actually. Alright, it's still in my hands. And they are actually eating the water grass from my hands. Now guys, this is one way, again, to organically supplement your chicken's diet. We in Jamaica, we call them the white fowls. Another way to organically supplement your chicken's diet is by giving them cracked corn. If you notice, there are a lot of corn in their feeding pan, but I mix the corn with a bit of boiler crumble, so they'll get the nutrition, they need, the protein and so, the extra protein and vitamins from the special mix of the boiler crumble, but they have corn which can be organically supplied. Now, if you choose not to buy the cracked corn, you can actually grow your own corn and crack it. You don't even have to crack it. If they are big enough, once they reach 4 weeks, they'll be able to eat that corn, even if it's not cracked. These here are 4 weeks old chickens. So they are 28 going 29 days old chickens. Alright? And this is their size. Alright, so as I'm speaking to you guys, notice they are crowding around and they are picking, they are eating. The water grass is still in my hands. But as I'm looking on, I observe a chicken with a broken beak. I'll have to see how I can help her. Seems to be a female. When I'm finished with this live, I'm going to catch her and try to investigate better and see the best way to help her. Alright, but she seems to be feeding. There's a chicken with a cracked beak. I'm going to drop the water grass now in the middle of the coop. But look at them. They love the water grass. It's as if they were looking forward to it. Look at them. Look at them with the water grass. And just like dark green leafy vegetables, it gives us vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin D, and so on. A, D, E, and K. The dark green leafy vegetables that they are eating is giving them well-needed vitamins. And what I do, I tip a bit of lime juice in the water to give them their vitamin C to prevent scurvy and so on, and any other thing that the deficiency of vitamin C would give chickens. Alright, so they're basically happy and healthy 28 days, going 29 days old chickens, 4 weeks old chickens. Yes, I give them a combination of water grass to supplement their roughage. I give them cracked corn. I give them boiler pellet. boiler crumble, I try to keep the water clean, change it once, sometimes twice a day. I supplement the vitamins with a bit of lime juice. Sometimes I put aloe vera in the water. I don't constantly give them. Sometimes I'll give them the aloe vera for like 3 days. Then I pause it and put lime juice in the water the next 3 days. Then I pause that and give them the vitamins in their water the next 3 days. And then for the next 3 days, I'll just give them fresh water. They are happy, they are enjoying themselves. Look at that one. He's laying down and still eating. Look at him. This is like heaven for them. He's laying down, he's stretched out, he's chilling. He's still eating. He got up now to feed. But look at them with the water grass, guys. They're really enjoying it. I'm happy I found a winning formula. I care for them, giving them fresh water, giving them vitamins, giving them grass from outside that I go out and pick in the early mornings. And they enjoy it. They get corn. One just jump out of the coop. Alright, so this is him outside. Alright. Picking around. Soon catch him and put him back. Alright guys, in terms of an update on the common fowl chickens, that's one over there. Let me zoom in. That's one of the common fowl chickens. He's also 28 days old. And that's another one, 28 days old. And notice the white fowl, as we call them, boiler. He is investigating and enthusiastically picking and eating the water grass I just provided for them. Alright guys, so there you have it. In this video, you saw and you're seeing what 4 weeks old boiler chickens look like. And also, if you are to venture in such a business, you also get an idea of how you can handle them in terms of feed. Or you can supplement their diet with corn instead of the boiler, crumble or pellet. And also supplement their diet with any edible dark green leafy vegetable. Anything that you can eat, they can eat. Callaloo, cabbage, pop choy, bird pepper, apple. You can cut up the apple and give them. If you eat the banana, you cut up the banana skin and give them. Cut it up so they can just swallow it. And these are some ways to organically supplement their diet. And as I said before, if you have lime juice, lemon juice, you can put a tip of it in the water. And these are organic ways to grow healthy chickens. Similarly, you can put in the aloe vera in the water sometimes, the garlic in the water sometimes, and sometimes you just give them pure fresh water. In as much as the pure fresh water is refreshing to you, it's refreshing to them as well. So guys, as usual, I'm asking you to subscribe. I hope you find this video satisfying, relaxing, encouraging. If you live in the suburbs and you're thinking of a small backyard chicken farm, I hope I motivated you to expedite it as soon as possible. And what I find my customers find it as well, that the meat, that when you raise your own chicken, not that the chickens in the supermarket taste bad, they taste good. But when you raise your own chickens, the meat tastes better. The meat tastes different. The meat is juicier. You know what you give them. The meat is more flavorful. The meat takes season more. So there are many benefits to raising your own chickens. So I'm encouraging you, once you have the land space, once it's allowed in your area, once you're not breaking the law by having chickens in your backyard, build a coop and start your small. You know, you can raise 50 or 100, even 200 if you have market, if you want to sell some and eat some. You can actually raise them, have a deep freeze, and you will stock your own deep freeze. Alright? You would stock your own deep freeze with the meat. So he's outside. He's gonna run. Just started. Alright, so they are all back in the coop now. And they are still enjoying. Let me just scatter it a bit. They are still enjoying their water grass. Remember to leave a comment. I want you to start your own backyard farm as soon as it is financially and legally possible. Alright, God bless you guys. Love you all. Remember, don't give up on your dreams. If you have faith as a mustard seed, you can move mountains. And remember that God is able to do exceedingly abundantly above all that in your life He can do it. God is able to do above all that you ever imagined for yourself. So trust in God, do good, obey the laws of the land, be kind, eat healthy, exercise, be happy. Have a happy life, guys. Yeah, man, have a happy life. Praise God. Love you all. Until my next upload. Hope you're enjoying the view of my organically raised chickens. God bless you.